Are you ready to discover the power of steam cleaning? In today's video, we're diving into the 5 steam cleaners of 2024 that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. From eliminating tough stains to sanitizing surfaces, these steam cleaners are the ultimate game changers in household cleaning. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just looking for a better way to maintain your space, you don't want to miss out on these incredible innovations. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. BALASHOV Handheld Steam Cleaner. Introducing the BALASHOV Handheld Steam Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. Engineered for power and precision, this 1,000-watt powerhouse heats up in just 2 minutes, delivering high-temperature steam that makes cleaning effortless. Whether it's grout lines, kitchen appliances, or even your car's interior, the BALASHOV Steam Cleaner tackles it all with ease. Thanks to its multi-surface versatility, you can use it on laminate, hardwood, fabrics, and even glass. Safety is paramount with the BALASHOV Steam Cleaner. It features a safety lock and protective cover on the handle to ensure worry-free cleaning every time. Backed by our commitment to customer satisfaction, each purchase comes with our guarantee of quality service. Your satisfaction is our priority. Transform your cleaning routine today with the BALASHOV Handheld Steam Cleaner. Visit our website or click the link below to order yours now. Experience the power of steam cleaning at your fingertips. Number 4. High-Temperature Home Steam Cleaner. Introducing the High-Temperature Home Steam Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a cleaner, healthier home environment. Are you tired of struggling with tough grease and stubborn stains? Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and welcome the power of high-temperature steam. Here's why the high-temperature home steam cleaner stands out. With its advanced technology, it reaches temperatures up to 115 degrees Celsius in just 20 seconds. That's high-pressure steam cleaning at its finest. Adjust the steam output with ease using the intuitive control panel. Whether it's your kitchen hood, air conditioning vents, or even your car interior, our steam cleaner handles it all. Pure physical sterilization and decontamination without the need for harsh chemicals. Perfect for families looking to maintain a healthy living environment. Crafted with multiple safety features, including a quality thermostat and high-temperature protection, the high-temperature home steam cleaner ensures peace of mind while you clean. Transform the way you clean today. Visit the link in description to order your high-temperature home steam cleaner and experience the power of steam cleaning firsthand. Number 3. BALASHOV CNT, a 3000 steam cleaner. Introducing the BALASHOV CNT, a 3000 steam cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this powerful steam cleaner is your go-to solution for tackling tough messes effortlessly. Whether it's your kitchen, car, or home appliances, the BALASHOV CNT A3000 does it all. Thanks to its high-pressure, high-temperature steam, it blasts away grease, disinfects, and eliminates allergens with ease. With adjustable steam settings and a range of attachments, you can customize your cleaning experience. From delicate upholstery to stubborn grout, this machine handles it all. Concerned about chemicals? Fear not. The BALASHOV CNT A3000 offers 360-degree chemical-free cleaning, keeping your environment safe and healthy. Join countless satisfied customers who have transformed their cleaning routine with the BALASHOV CNT A3000. It's not just a cleaner, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Change the way you clean effortlessly. Number 2. BALASHOV 2500-watt Intelligent Steam. Introducing the BALASHOV 2500-watt Intelligent Steam Cleaner, your ultimate solution to effortless cleaning. With its powerful 2500 watts of heating power, this high-pressure, high-temperature steam cleaner tackles dirt, grime, and 99.9% of bacteria in just seconds. From kitchen countertops to bathroom tiles, even upholstery and carpets, the BALASHOV steam cleaner is your go-to for a cleaner, healthier home. Its ergonomic design and lightweight body make it easy to handle, while the extended power cord and steam hose provide extra reach without the hassle. Safety is key with its anti-dry mechanism and durable ABS material, ensuring peace of mind while you clean. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to a quicker, more effective clean with the BALASHOV 2500-watt intelligent steam cleaner. Order yours today and discover the power of steam cleaning. Click the link in the description to get yours now. Number 1. High-pressure steam cleaner. Introducing the ultimate solution for a cleaner home and car. The high-pressure steam cleaner. This compact powerhouse delivers high-temperature sterilization with ease. Whether it's your kitchen hood, air conditioning vents, or even your car seats, these versatile cleaner tackles dirt and grime effortlessly. Let's dive into its specifications. It boasts a powerful 2500 watts, generating steam at 229 degrees Fahrenheit with a pressure of 3 bar. That's like having a 3.5 kilogram force concentrated into every square centimeter, ensuring thorough cleaning every time. With 6 adjustable speeds and multiple brush heads, it adapts to any surface, from countertops to upholstery, and even the toughest corners of your car's interior. Worried about chemicals? Fear not. Our steam cleaner uses only water, making it safe for your family and pets. Plus, it's designed for easy handling and comes with a range of attachments to suit all your cleaning needs. Transform your cleaning routine with the high-pressure steam cleaner. Click the link below to order yours today and say goodbye to dirt and grime for good. There you have it, folks. The 5 best steam cleaners of 2024 that are sure to make cleaning easier and more effective than ever before. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your life steam powered.